Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a louver wall. And so the first thing you want to start off with is you want to go to your wall tab or your wall tool, and you want to draw a basic curtain wall underneath the wall tab. And so right here is we just have a basic curtain wall, and there's many different things that you can do to make this louver wall look a little bit more fancy. We're just going to do a very basic sketch outline. And so what we're going to do is we're going to throw some mullions on just on the outside edge, and so now it's encased. But for our louver wall, since our horizontal mullions are going to be at an angle, specifically in this video we're going to do a 60-degree angle, we want to make sure that we have to create a new one from the ones that they give us, since none of the originals are on angles. So what we do is we would edit the regular type of one of these mullions, and we're going to do this one. I've already created a new one, so I'm not going to create a new one again, but I'll show you the process. And so it's really simple. You just change it to 60 degrees in the angle box, and also you can change materials depending on what kind of material you want to apply to your louver wall. You can do wood as well if that's what you would like to do. And so once you do that, you hit OK, and then you have your new mullion duplicated and created. And then you're going to want to create a new wall, a new curtain system wall. So you would go to your curtain wall, the original one that you used, you would hit edit type, also duplicate it, rename it. I called it the louver wall. And then a few important things is you want to make sure that you have your curtain panel, the third box down, has the option of empty system panel empty. You want to make sure you have that. And then since our horizontal, we're going to have the mullions are going to be a horizontal grid, we're going to have our layout be a fixed distance between each of the mullions, and we're going to have it be about 4 inches. And you can change that to whatever you would like. But then you wouldn't mess with any of the vertical options because we wouldn't have any mullions going vertically. But then you would go down to your horizontal mullions, and then you'd select the new one that you created with a 60-degree angle. You would hit OK, and then you'd have your louver wall duplicated. And then you could just sketch it out if you wanted to, but we're going to select this original one that we have, and then we will adjust it. And then so there you have is your louver wall with your mullions at a 60-degree angle. Thank you for watching.